Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So what we're going to do is just go through how you can actually add it to your page. So first things first is you need to have, I'm just going to use my account as an example because I can't make any changes in your own account. So first you have to add the GIF as a digital asset. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and choose any kind of GIF. Okay, so now that I've added the GIF, I'm going to go ahead and copy the asset path, and then you open the funnel that you want to add it on, go into the editor, and then what you do is you add an image element, and then you click on it, and then you remove this, then you put the GIF what's it called, URL here, you go out, you click on save. So you see it's working. Yeah. All right, I'm going to preview it so that we're sure. Scroll down, and do you see it? It's here. Check out how I can help you put your nose finger here, and there's a cat. So it's working. That's how to do it for a GIF. And then for a video, you put the video here, you copy the link of the URL for the video, open it up using a YouTube. Sorry about that. Oops. Yep. Right, and then you put the URL for the video here. Like I said, I'm using a YouTube URL. Then I go out, click on save. So now that we're done with this, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to preview this for you now. And as you can see, the video is here. Right, so the video is playing, the GIF is playing. Awesome. Let me know if that works for you. Bye for now.